Following from the first video, creating the end components, in this video I'll make the bottom, front, and back components. Use the rectangle tool to create an edge face for the bottom. Double-click on the rectangle, then right-click and choose Make Component from the menu. Name the component Bottom. Edit the bottom component and use the push-pull tool to give it a width across the full length of the groove in the ends. Click on the back edge of the end and this completes making the bottom component. Now for the front. Again, choose the rectangle tool to outline the face of the front. Double-click and right-click on the selection, then pick Make Component from the menu. Call it Front/Back. Then, with the push-pull tool, pull out a thickness of 5/16 inches. The front and the back components are 1/2 inch thick, with a 3/16 inch deep rabbet around the edges for housing the end and bottom components. To create the rabbet, orbit around for a rear view of the chest. Edit the front component and draw lines in the intersecting corners of the bottom and the ends. Then with the push-pull tool, pull out another 3/16 inch thickness to the inside face of the front. This makes the front actually a 1/2 inch thick, but with a 3/16 inch deep rabbet around the inside face of the front. You can verify the surrounding rabbets by making a copy of the front and moving it away from the assembly. Here you can see the successful making of the surrounding rabbet. Now that we're finished with the inspection, we can delete this copy. Make a copy of the front component and move it to the rear of the assembly. Right-click on the copy and choose Flip Along Components Green to orient into the back of the assembly. Currently, a common component definition is being used for both the front and the back. Eventually, there will need to be independent definitions for the front and back. The front will require unique cuts for the front lock, and the back will have recesses for hinges. Delaying the separation is efficient since there is much commonality in the grooves and rabbets.